Is up YouTube? We are back with another haircut tutorial, and in this haircut tutorial we will be doing a 3 on the top and a mid drop fade. As always, I comb down the hair to lay it in place so when cut it's cut evenly. Now I grab my number 3 guard, which will be the lowest length we will go to. Make sure you guys go check out Visionary's clothing line. This is one of their t-shirts and it's a dope shirt. The link to their website will be in the description below. Start off by making my first guideline with my modified Andis T outliners. With these trimmers, I balled out the client and I also do the shape ups. So it will be a mid draw fade. I will go up about halfway on the arc over the ear and drop it back down going towards the back. Type of fade, I will always do one side first, then I will do the second side and finally connect the back with the sides. So in this video you will see me do one side first, then the other, ending with the back being connected to the sides. I now grab my Andis shaver and start shaving the bottom part of the fade, which will give it a cleaner look. When using the shaver, you never want to go all the way up to the first guideline. You will want to go up to about half an inch from when the first guideline starts and flick out. This is just preventing any harsh lines from being made. So here initially, my magic clip did not want to cut hair. It felt like it was pulling the hair. So with a couple of tweaks, I noticed that the lever was out of place. With the lever back into place, we start making our first guideline. Our first guideline is a lever open with no guard, and we go up about 3/4 of an inch. As you guys know, or if you don't remember, my fading systems is one of the easiest. Once you create a guideline, you take it out immediately so you don't have to go back to take it out. With that being said, I close my magic clip and start taking out the first initial guideline. I will be doing some lever play, which is opening and closing the clipper to take out the initial guideline. That there was a line that I couldn't take out with my magic clip, so I grabbed my Andis T outliners and with the corner I start flicking at the line. For my second guideline, I will grab my number 1 guard close and go up about 3/4 of an inch. Now that I've created my third guideline, I will grab my half guard close and start taking out the guideline. Notice that there were some lines throughout the guidelines, so I go in with my clipper open, using the corners and lever play to take them out. Now grab my number 2 guard and create my 4th guideline. Since the longest length is a 3, I open up the 2 guard and blend in the 2 with the 3 since the number 2 guard is already on the clipper. To blend in the 1 guard closed with the 2 guard closed, I first grab my number 1.5 guard open to soften up the line, then I close the 1.5 guard and I finish blending with the 1 guard open.
Cornmeal.
So since you guys already saw the first side, I will speed up the second side. Enjoy. As for the back, the steps do not change. All that is different is connecting the back with the sides evenly. For the edge up on the sides, I will use my Slimline Li Pro by Andis because they are lighter and they have no cord to be messing with me when creating the arcs. You want to start off at the top of the corner and keep it as natural as possible. For the front lineup, I will use my modified Andis T outliners and start at the middle, working my way to the side. As always, I start off low when doing the lineup up front and work my way up, but not too high where I pushed his lineup back. If you guys remember, in my first video, I stated that I wasn't sponsored by Easy Blade shaving products, but after a couple of hours of having the video uploaded, I actually got sponsored, so shout out to Easy Blade shaving products for the sponsorship. They sent me another shaving gel and this box of 100 double razors. If you apply, you can qualify to get a monthly subscription on razors every month to your door, so go check them out. Since the razors are doubled, they are easy to use. All you gotta do is bend them in half and split them, making them 2 razors. I use Easy Blade's shaving gel on the lineup so that the shave is smooth and there is no irritation on the skin. Make sure you go check out their products. The link to their website will be in the description below. As for using the razor, you pull the skin and hold the straight edge razor at an angle so you don't cut the client. To take off the excess shaving gel, all you gotta do is get a towel with water and wipe off the gel. One last time, I go in with a number 3 guard on top to make sure that all the hairs are cut evenly. As for the last step, remember to shave off the remaining hairs on the neck. And well guys, thank you for tuning in on my second video of the channel, and this is my take on a mid-drop fade. I hope you guys enjoyed, so please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.